Use of locating rod. Adjust locating rod to required length. Place locating rod in the cross-beam middle place of master section. The elbow is tightly closed to the bar. Installation of the fixed point. Fitting the fixed point in the middle place of horizontal angle air of master section. The side is tightly closed to the locating rod. Use the wrench to screw the bolt. Installation of first piece of bus bar. Jack plug port for bedding or deformation and socket port for deformation or debris existing. Fitting a bolt into fixed point hole. Sleeves knot. Making the side of bus bar U-shape air fastener up. Hanging bolt on the notch bottom of fixed point. Using locating rod to confirm bus bar parallel to the master column, and then tighten the knot. Installation of incoming line assembly. Insert one end side of incoming line assembly into bus bar bottom. Fix incoming line assembly on fixed point with bolts. Confirm incoming line assembly and bus bar connected in place properly. Then look knot. Ring of incoming line assembly. First loosen the self-trapping screws of front protected cover and then remove it. Grabbing the incoming line with specialized cable locks. Insert conductor bar into locks with cable connected respectively. According to the ring drawing from bar notch of incoming line assembly, send the conductor bars to the end of bus bar top-down respectively and make sure they are in place. Reinstall the front protector cover back to its place. In the end, fix the incoming cable to master section. Extending the bus bar. Take a piece of bus bar and check whether the both ends of bus bar are in good condition. Hanging bus bar on the notch of fixed point with inserting bolts and screw nuts. And line downwards plug side to next section bus bar socket side. Make sure the plug port and socket port are aligned well. Then use auxiliary tools to press down to make connecting the two bus bar in place. Then tighten the nuts. Current collector assembly. Take 2 sets of current collectors. Loosen the nuts from one side of each side. Taking away bolts, then keep them. Use connector to connect the two current collectors together. Then tighten the bolts and nuts. Installation of current collector. Press the carbon brushes in place with right hand thumb and medium fingers. Aim at conductor bar notch to put 2 cent current collector down until all inside bus bar. Move current collector up and down to test whether they slide well. Installation of shifting fork and traction box. According to different hoist manufacturer and master section, choose the corresponding shifting fork and fixed position. Fix selected shifting fork to the appropriate position of left and right cage columns. Making shifting fork in corresponding center of guide through of connector by adjusting 2 beams of shifting fork. Installation of current collector. Open the cover of shifting fork junction box. Then connect cables to 5 terminals of junction box according to current collector's 5 output cable sequence. Take power and incoming cable respectively in order connected to 5 terminals of junction box. Then connect the indicator lamps signal wires of junction box front cover of junction box respectively in order. Screws nuts and close the front cover. Fix power incoming cable well in fully. Turn on the main power supply and check the running direction of hoist and the section of the running well. Power off must be done before adding bus bar. Maintenance. Run the cage to the position of forward bus bar and cut off the main power supply. Take off the front and rear cover of bus bar connector. Tighten the bolt if the bolt is loose. Exchange the middle bus bar. Run the hoist to the top of forward bus bar and then cut off the main power. Take off the front and rear cover of bus bar connector. Unscrew all the bolts of bus bar connector. Use screwdriver to remove all the plugs from socket port. Then tighten all the bolts to make sure the plugs will not fall down. Open the main power. Run the hoist to the bottom of the forward bus bar. Cut off the main power. Use above methods to complete all the procedures. Use electric tape to paste the bolts together. Make sure the conductor rail will not fall down. Unscrew the rotating nut of bus bar. Remove the forward bus bar. Use above same method to install new bus bar plugs. Then fix the new bus bar to the mast and ensure that the upper and lower ports are in alignment. Tear the electrical tape and loosen the bottom plugs. Use a screwdriver to press the plugs down to the bottom of the socket port. Make sure all the plugs are fully pressed in place. Tighten all the bolts and ensure that the spacers are in original position. Install the front and rear cover and tighten the screws. Check the waterproof effect of the connector. Open the main power. Run the hoist. Use the four-step method to complete the installation of the upper plugs. Check degree of current collector 1. Then determine whether it's changed or not. Clean the bus bar carried back from the side, and then use the high-pressure air to blow off the internal dust. Check both end plugs are whether bended or deformed, and socket port is whether deformed or debris existing. If above things have happened, they need clean up and fixing. After that, put on the protective cover and plastic band. Then pack it in box to store.